So good morning, everybody. This is David Beer again, working with the Texas Premier Realty Group. And today, Theodore has asked me to create a landing page for him. So I just wanted to show everyone a brief description of how these landing pages work and how to set them up so that they benefit you the most. I've got my page shared. So first off, we have the campaigns. The landing pages are going to guide people to our website, and we want them to trigger a smart campaign. So what I did is I scrolled down here to the different types of campaigns, and I found the hashtag KvCore paid Facebook campaign. So you highlight that, and that's the smart campaign that's going to be triggered when somebody comes to our landing page. Okay, then also we want to do a search. So we want the landing page to end up somewhere. So find your website, do a search. And today we search the Rockwall, Texas county area. So now we have every house listed. And I just did every house, not the ones that are just listed, but I did every house because when people first come to the landing page, we want them to see a bunch of stuff. That's how Zillow works, and that's my marketing plan. Okay, so we did a search through the filters. We came up with exactly what we wanted. I think I can show you here what I did. So we did Rockwall County, Texas. I left minimum pricing, maximum pricing available. I did these items here. I left out land because it was too many of what I felt was inappropriate. And then I also removed all of these because that one is not our target, not our focus. The styling I left blank, everything else I just left blank. I left blank, I left blank. And then down here at the bottom, I don't know if you can see it or not, but you click on search filters or secure filters, whatever the term is. All right. And so then that generated this, and then it generated this link up here on top. So once you get that link, you go to the far right where click here, and it lets you copy the link. Okay, so I've already done that. We copied the link. We came over here to the landing page. I don't have that up there. I went ahead and saved it. 1 second. Okay, so we're going to go over here to the far left. We go down to marketing. Then right below that, we have lead engine. Take lead engine, build landing pages, click on that. And this is where we're going to be inputting the information that we were talking about. Lead generation, we're going to do lead generation. The hashtag is our smart campaign. So we go here, we copy the KvCore page Facebook, put that in here, go to the next one. I like using learn more or see more. I'm using learn more for that. This is the URL where I was talking about earlier. So I went to Theodore's website. I did a search for his property in his area. We used Rockwall County, and we used these items for the search criteria. Left it pretty much wide open so we would get a large number of searches. Hit the search, and that's what took us to this page here. We go up here, we click on the left, on the far right side. Also, important point, hit star on here as well and save this, because this way you will have a list of all of your landing pages, and then you can identify them individually as landing page attempt number 1, Rockwall County, or then you could do Rockwall City, or you can help spell it out. So do yourself a favor, save these in the area that you want them to save, and that way they'll pull up when you're looking for them. And we'll go on a little bit farther. I'm not going to save this because it's not really mine. Okay, so then we click here, and that's going to copy the link. We go back to our page. we're going to put the link in right here. Okay. I always like to require phone numbers. If they're not motivated enough to give us a phone number, don't think we need to fill our pipeline full of people who aren't motivated to at least engage in some level. On the background, we have a variety of backgrounds, not real fond of the one that they give automatically. I like more, we can go like farmhouse, that's a beautiful one. We can go down to modern. I like that one as well. Eco one, not really fond of that one at all. Those are just my personal opinions. The happy one, yeah, I've tried that one. It doesn't really strike well. I would just stick with modern or farmhouse on that. Okay, and then we're going to go to lead type, and we want in this case, we're looking for buyers. So here we go. We got lead generation is the goal. We have the KV, the smart campaign. We have learn more. We have the link that we want. We required the phone number. We're doing the picture of the farmhouse, which I think is going to be an attractive one. Actually, I think what I used was modern on my final results. So we're going to use that one. Buyer, and then you hit save. I've already hit save for Theodore. So we're going to go to Theodore's one. And this is what it looks like when you hit save. You've got your landing page, and that's actually when you want to hit the save. So I hope you guys didn't. Anyway, it doesn't matter. You can make all the landing pages you want. But once you hit the save button and you've got the landing page, this is what it's going to look like. Okay. So again, you make a copy of that. Take a copy. You go to your Facebook page, and then post the link here in your Facebook page. Now, what I did, and I kind of like doing it, I did a Google search of Rockwell, Texas. I found the Wikipedia. I copied this little paragraph describing the program or describing the city, and I put that in my Facebook header, and then the link. Then you hit post. It is real estate related, but if you're just posting it to your business page, there's no issue. When you go to promote it, that's when you're going to have to work through the promotion part. And that's really going to be a little different because they restrict the way you can restrict your audience. It has to go more broad. But if you click real estate, Facebook's going to deliver this message to those people most likely to make a move and hopefully most likely interested in the Rockwell city. I think it's actually pretty specific when it comes to that. You guys have any questions regarding a landing page, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. They work fairly well. I've gotten some leads. The good thing is it's when you use your smart campaigns, these things are self-monitoring. You don't have to worry about them. Just make sure that your campaigns are on. Let's see. Get rid of that. Make sure that your campaigns are on. If they're on, that's when you want to use the ones that are on. Also, you might want to check on the campaign, make sure that it sounds a lot like the message you want to give across. But a lot of these are just the same. If you see the number 32, 32, 32, 32, 32, these are all exactly the same. They just have different campaigns for those who are trying to do more specific in monitoring your targeting aspect. I'm not that far along, so I don't really mess with it. I just go straight to the KV page, Facebook ads when I do that. Guys, I hope this really helped you. I look forward to being more of a resource to all of the Texas Premier Realty agents. Again, send me a text message. The number is 210-889-3283. I am happy to help and also talk about marketing plans. So again, thank you for your time, and I am going to let you guys get on with your day. Adios.